Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, you're welcome, and to my old subscribers, you guys has been amazing. So in today's video, I'll be telling you the top 5 popular hot hair vendors on Instagram. And there are different types of hair vendors on Instagram, different types of hair vendors. But these 5 that I'll be mentioning today, they have been in this Instagram hair business for a very long time with plenty followers. People have known them. You cannot type their name on Instagram without sharp their name will just pop up. Like almost everybody knows them, celebrity patronize them, and also those that love luxury hair patronize them as well. So in today's video, I'll be telling you about these hair vendors, and also you know telling you how affordable or not so affordable their hairs are, and some other things. So, and if you are interested in knowing these hair vendors, keep watching. So the first one I'll be talking about is Naija Beauty Hair. Naija Beauty Hair is a very popular Instagram hair vendor with over 300k followers, and also celebrities patronize them. They have good quality hair. And one thing I noticed about this Naija Beauty, which although I've not gotten hair from them before, is that their hairs are very, very affordable, like compared to those other luxurious hair brands. Like their hair is still on the affordable side, and they also with good quality, with pictures. Like, I'm just saying this according to what I have seen them, people's comment about them. So, but I've not, like I said, I've not gotten hair from them before, but their hair is affordable. That is one thing I noticed about Naija Beauty Hair. They have some very affordable luxurious hair that they do display on their page. It brings me to the second popular Instagram hair vendors, which is the Wholesale Naija. Wholesale Naija is also a very popular online hair store on Instagram. And they also have their physical store in Lagos Island. They have it in Balogun Market, that's a Lagos Island market, which I have been to before, though I didn't buy hair there that day, but I just went there to check out. And they have some very amazing hair as well. And I think they have over 300k followers as well. And they also have many popular actress Instagram influencers as their brand ambassador. The one I went to in Lagos Island is, it's not bad, but which, like I said, I didn't buy hair from there that day, but I love the quality of the hairs that I saw. But just that I am not really so pleased with their customer service, the way the person there attended to me, but which I cannot use that to judge them. Well, because I didn't buy hair, so I didn't want to conclude about that. But not so, they don't really have not so fantastic customer service the day I checked their shop in Lagos Island. But it's also one popular Instagram hair vendor that a lot of people know, and they also, people they have good reviews as well, that the quality of their hair is also nice, but their hair is not so cheap like that, but it's not so expensive, which though hair has grade, so it depends on what you are buying. But they are not that they have the so-called so much ridiculous prices in their products, in their hairs. So this brings me to the third one, and the third one I'll be talking about is a Mommy Glee. Mommy Glee also is another very popular hair vendor on Instagram, which everybody knows. Celebrities do patronize her. She has celebrities as hair ambassadors, and people swear by the quality of her hair, that she has good quality hair. And from the comments too, because I practically follow most of them. So he said her hair quality is also good, but her hair is not so cheap like that. Like, I don't think she has hair under 50k. No. So if you are looking for maybe, or you want luxurious hair, expensive hair, you can check her out. I think from some of her pictures they have amazing hair. So this brings me to the fourth Instagram popular hair vendor, which is Royal Hair. Royal Hair, I've been following Royal Hair for years, and he has some amazing with over, and he has over 600k followers, and a lot of popular Instagram influencers as brand ambassador, I think actress and brand ambassador. His post of hairs, I think he really has a lot of quality luxurious hair, like very very fine, quality luxurious hair, which a lot of people have very very good comments to say about his hairs, that his hairs are always very quality. But one thing I observe about Royal Hair is that his hairs are not so cheap. Like, you cannot get, I don't think you can get 30k hair there, 40k hair there. I think even the cheapest or the shortest length of hair you can get from Royal Hair is maybe like up to like 70k. I don't think you can even get 50k hair from Royal Hair. Like, his hair are really luxury. If you are going for, if you really want luxury hair, expensive hair, I think you can check out Royal Hairs. They really have a lot of luxury and expensive hair, which I've not used any of, I've not bought hair from there before, so I don't know how good the quality of his hair might be. But from the pictures that I have seen, I think they have a good quality, but they are not cheap. So you cannot get hair below 50,000 naira in Royal Hair. So you can check them out if you are looking for that, if you want to buy a luxury, you want to patronize a luxury hair brand on Instagram, you can check out Royal Hair. So this brings me to the last one in this list. Like, this lady, everybody knows her. She has been in this game for like up to more than 5 years, which I have been following her for a very long time. Like, she's the mother of all hair vendors on Instagram. Like, she's the one that really made people start taking Instagram hair vendors serious. She made Instagram hair vendors very popular, and like, she's the one that even brought this dancing on, when displaying hair on Instagram. She's the one that really brought that way of advertising products on Instagram, and is Miss Waneka. Like, you cannot mention online hair vendor on Instagram without mentioning Miss Waneka, and she has over 800k plus followers on Instagram. Mention any on hair vendor on Instagram without mentioning Miss Waneka. Like, she has been in this game for a very long time. She made people start displaying their hairs on Instagram. Like, she really made online Instagram hair sales very very popular. Like, she's the pace setter of Instagram hair sales. Like, you can go all over, on and on and on about this lady. Like, you have, I to be sincere, I will give it to her when it comes to hair on Instagram. Like, she's the one that really started that aggressive marketing on hair when it comes to Instagram hair vendors. Like, she knows her onions, she knows how to advertise her hair. She has been in the game for a very long time. Even when people don't take Instagram hair vendors serious, she was the one that really made people to start taking Instagram hair vendors serious. And she also have numerous celebrities as her ambassador that patronize her. She claims to be the one that brought affordable luxurious hair. Like, she said her prices, that she brings quality hair for less. Like, she made people to, you know, to start buying raw hair, quality woman hair for less. Like she's the one that the only hair vendors that can sell an affordable, you know, luxurious hair for you. Like she's for all. She can anybody can reach out to her, anybody can buy her hair, compared to like some hair brands that will say, okay, they have specific, you know, customers. But this one, she claims to make her hair available and affordable for all to buy. Though I have not tried or patronize her or gotten any of her hair before, so I don't know how quality her hair is, or I don't know how true that she claims that she gives luxury for less, like luxury hair for less. I don't know how true, because I've never gotten hair from her. But one thing I give it to that lady is like she's the one that really made Instagram hair vendors, you know, Instagram hair sales very, very popular. I will give it to her on that. That is why I made her my #1 on the list. So have you ever gotten hair from any of these vendors that I have mentioned? Or if you are looking for that popular hair vendor to buy from, because some people love buying hair from hair vendors that are popular on Instagram, you can check out any of these hair vendors. And also, if there is anyone that I didn't mention that you know that they are also popular, you can also comment on the comment section to tell me anyone that I didn't remember to mention or I didn't know. So, and if you have watched to this point and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to support me and click on the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye for now.